This is a picture of a copperhead. I want you to notice that it has the hourglass banding pattern on the back. It does have the triangular shaped head. Both of these are big signs that this is a critter to steer clear of. Very beneficial for rodent control, so we don't want to not be appreciative, but we also don't want to step on this, and we don't want to really get near it. We don't want our animals to get near it either. I want to talk about warning signs in nature for just a few minutes. In all the videos that I've done with this copperhead picture that my friend kind of stumbled across, drove across this morning in Byhalia, Mississippi, in all the videos I've had the color red and yellow. And my dad, who was my scoutmaster back in the 70s, Dr. Grover D. Barnes in Jackson, Mississippi, he told us this rhyme in Scouts: red and yellow, kill a fellow, red and black, friend of Jack. This is a rhyme that tells one how to tell the difference between a coral snake and a king snake. I'm going to be honest with you though, if I see red or yellow on a snake, I'm going to steer clear. Remember that cow killers are big furry red ants that can hurt you as well. And by the way, sometimes bees have yellow and black stripes. They can also sting you. So in nature, there are some warning signs, some warning colors that you and I need to think about as we are moving through our lives together. We want to be in harmony with nature. The triangular head is not always associated with poisonous snakes, but I would just, for safety's sake, assume that if it's got a triangle head, it needs to be very respected. If it's got a rattle on the end of the tail, that sounds like a rattlesnake, doesn't it? That means stay away. That is a warning sign. I've done this video about 10 times already, and maybe there's a reason why. Maybe it's the life application that you and I need to think about. What is it in life that we run into that is a warning sign that to everybody else and even to us tells us to stay away, but we keep going? Our hormones make us keep going. Anyhow, it's just kind of sad. But don't we fall into these crazy traps and we ignore all of the danger signs? Anyhow, let's not do this with snakes and bees and ants. And let's be better purveyors of life itself together. How about that, citizens, fellow brothers and sisters of the assembly?